Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a gradient background in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. In the Tools panel, locate the Gradient tool. If it's not visible, it might be hidden under the Paint Bucket tool or 3D Material Drop tool. Simply right-click on the tool icon and select Gradient tool. Once selected, you'll see a default gradient based on the current foreground and background colors. You can easily change these colors from the color panel to create a custom gradient style. For additional customization, click on the gradient preview to access the gradient editor. Here, you can choose from preset gradients or create your own by selecting and adjusting colors. You can also drag the gradient stops to modify the effect. Once satisfied, click OK to save your gradient settings. To apply the gradient, click and drag across your canvas using the Gradient tool. The direction and length of your drag determine how the gradient appears. You can undo and try again to explore different effects. Photoshop offers multiple gradient types such as linear, radial, and angle, which you can experiment with to achieve unique results. That's it. You've successfully created a gradient background in Photoshop. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.